What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about 4 steps to become a Medicaid provider. Can you believe it? I'm talking about Medicaid. Why would I do that? Like, for anyone that does follow my channel, you know how I feel about Medicaid. So there's people that are asking, so I still want to help you regardless of my feelings. My feelings aside, I'm going to help you guys 4 ways. Here we go. But first, like, comment, subscribe, show some love, or buy a shirt. Carepreneur.co. Anyways, guys, I'm sharing this information with you in these 4 steps because of how it's done in Florida. Every state might be a little bit different, but if the state that you're in is familiar or is very similar to how Florida does and handles and operates their Medicaid program, then this might apply. But if you are in Florida, this will be helpful. So number 1 is obviously become a licensed adult daycare provider. So you have to apply and actually become a licensed, get your certificate that says, that has your license number on it and it says adult daycare center. When you have that, now you can start step number 2. And number 2, you're gonna apply for a national provider identification number, which is an NPI number. You search online how to apply for an NPI, right? So then you apply as a provider. And what happens is now you're gonna get this number and it's gonna allow you then to sign up for services that you can get compensated from either Medicare or Medicaid. But without the NPI number, you can't apply for Medicaid. So first, how do I apply? NPI, National Provider Identification. Get that number first, then we'll go to step 3. And now, step number 3, you're a licensed adult daycare center. You have your NPI. You're gonna take your license, your NPI number, and you're gonna go apply for your local state Medicaid program for long-term care. So look for Medicaid in your state, figure out how to register and get a Medicaid number. And after months of waiting and all this downtime, you finally got it. And I just spit everywhere. Number 4, it may have taken months, may have taken 4, 5, 6 months, who knows? The way things are these days, it could have been delayed, but you made it across the finish line and you finally got that Medicaid number. So now, step number 4 is go and contact your local managed care organization, or MCO. Might be part of a large healthcare group like a Humana or United Healthcare or Sunshine, and you'll have to get contracted with them. And guess what? You're gonna have to wait again. Yep. The waiting game. You know why I like private pay? Because you don't have to wait on Amex, Visa, or MasterCard. But on Medicaid, you can be waiting for 3, 4, 5, 6 months by the time you can finally start accepting and actually taking care of individuals who might be on a Medicaid program. Of course, I'm always a little more biased towards focusing on private pay, but there is no reason why you can't at least become a Medicaid provider. So if you have people that are inquiring about your services, you don't have to say no to anybody. And that's why we do it, because we want to be able to help as many people as we possibly can. Hope that was helpful. You guys know what to do. Show some love, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.